So what we have is the LOL surprise Clubhouse. This is Madam Bae's gift. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're gonna unbox this LOL.
Look.
Can you move?
Wow. Ethan? Wow, for Ethan.
No, this is for you. This is from Ethan.
For Ethan. Yes. So it is. What's the side, Mommy?
So this is, you can slide. Here a slide. There are 2 dolls.
Open it. Okay. This is a ball.
Okay, what else? What else inside? This.
What's
There
the
you
ball?
go.
What's the ball, guys?
The ball. It has a toy.
What's the ball?
The ball is not here. There's a pillow. What else? So what's in here is like a snack room. What is this? Video game room. What is this?
What? Look, it says more.
TV room. This is bedroom. You can also flip this up like that. There. Okay. And then no, it's not there. It might be there. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's close this first. Oh, by the way, here is the bed. Bed.
Okay.
And a pillow.
Okay, oh my. Wait.
Okay, a pillow.
Wait. Like that.
All right. You show it to the camera so they could see your toys. And then we're gonna open this one. This box. Let's see what's in here.
It's a toy store.
Pinos mo?
What's inside? A box. What's that?
Let's open this one.
Okay.
Let's see what's inside. Here is, I don't know what's that.
So why did that red?
Is that a blanket?
Yes, it's a blanket.
Oh, are you sure that's a blanket?
Yes, put it in the bed. Put it in the bed.
Put it in the bed?
Uh-huh.
All right.
This is good, okay?
Can you sit properly, my love, please? There you go. We're gonna open this. So wait.
So,
Let's see what's this. Hold on, wait. Oh, there's a telescope. Oops. Wait. Let's show it to the camera. It's a telescope. Nakikita, Jess? Next. Okay, next is this. See? What's this? Oh! What is this? A video machine. Or a machine.
what's that the other?
Next is this one. Oh, bottle.
A bottle. A bottle green.
What's this? Oh, a bean bag. A bean bag for your dining or living room. It's a bean bag. Jara. This is a chair.
Chair bag.
What's this? What's this? What is? Oh, a slide. Yeah, a slide.
Oh, it's a water.
What is this?
It's a water.
Yeah, it's a ladder. So we're gonna put this right here.
Yeah. It's a ladder.
There's a ladder and then there's a slide.
What's that? The ladder. What's
I
that?
There.
What's that? The
What is
ladder?
this?
What's that? The ladder? What's that? The
Okay,
ladder?
let's move.
What's that? The
What
ladder?
else inside? Oh! What is that? A wrench?
Yeah.
Show it to the camera.
So it's a wrench.
Wrench. What's this? A gasoline jug. What's this? Oh, a cap for your doll. Where are your dolls?
Here.
And then, what is this?
So this is like cycle. A cycle.
Oh, a chair for the bar. Look. Right here. For the bin bags. There you go. Oh, what is this? Oh, a hammock. Right. Oh, look. You have a hammock, anak. I think you can put it here. Can you show it, Daddy? There. Look at that. Okay, next is, what's this? What is this? A plier. And then a shade. And what is this? What is this? Oh, for the video games. What is this?
Controller.
A controller. Oh, can you put the cap of your doll? And then, oh, a hammer. There's a hammer. And next is, what's this? Oh, I don't know what's this.
Table.
Is it a table? Ah. We're almost done. Next is, we'll see what's in here. Whoops, I think this is another chair. Wow, look at this. There's a button in here, but it can't open. So this is a chair. What is this? A game?
Yeah.
So you have another game. A game machine. How about this one? Oh, I think this is another chair. No, you have to put it here. Yeah, put it there. And then this one, oops, a skateboard. And oh, you have a toolbox. Oh, put your pliers, your tools in here. Where are your tools? Your hammer, your wrench. This one here. Here. Where is your hammer? Right there.
Oh, here.
Put it in your toolbox. And
Oh,
I think
here.
this is the last one. Oh, another water bottle for your babies. There you go.
Another there.
Okay.
Another.
So that's all. And you have these cards and stickers. Okay. So that's all. So the doll is, this is glitch and this is static. Okay, so what you have is this is the foosball table. There you go. And then you have the ladder for the arcade. So you have the arcade machines, the pinball machine. There you go. You also have the gaming chair. And then up here is, what you have is the gaming chair, the beanbag chair for your gaming room. And here is your bedroom. You have the bed, the pillow, a blanket. Is that a blanket? And down here is your bar. You have two stools, the orange and the yellow, and a table. See, it's cool.
This is a pillow there.
And this one is for the skate. Skate. Yeah, where's your skateboard?
Here.
Right here. So, here's the skateboard. Alright? Here, she's putting glitch on her bed. Okay? And then up here is a hammock.
Oh my goodness,
A colorful hammock. And then up here is a stage where you could have the, what's this? What is that? A telescope, the toolbox, the gasoline gallon, have the plier right there. And on this side, if you're gonna close that, we have this. It has a windows over here, and we have the slides.
No, don't.
Wait.
No.
Let- Can you do it again? Do it again. Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
Aww.
Birds are the way to sit. Birds are the way to
And then swing it. Swing. There.
This is the water baby.
Baby, that's Glitch, anak. Her name is Glitch. And here is the slides. Can you slide? Can you do the slide? Ooh, that's static. Static sliding. Woo!
One more.
One more. That's Glitch. Woo! How about they're gonna play this push ball?
I'm trying to find it. This is
You can't
ball.
find it, the ball? Uh-oh! This is Glitch. So let's put her hat. There you go. she has a bottle. What do you call this?
I found the ball. Mommy, I found it.
You found it?
I
Okay.
found the ball.
Alright. Alright. She found the ball. There you go. So this is glitch. Where is static? Where's your player?
No.
Put it down. Put it down. They're gonna play. See? They're gonna play. They're gonna play like this. Come on.
Run, going this way. Run, run,
One.
run.
Who's winning? Where's the ball?
Here.
Here.
I won.
You won? Oh, it's right there. You won.
Oh.
So static won! Yay! Yay!
This is one. Okay.
This is a selfie wall. And then this is a half pipe for the skates.
Oh,